That dude is old. If I take this helmet off, he's about to act a fool on me. I'm playing. The Cass. I wish I could have a Cass. Time for a protein shake. Why are there so many old people here? There are so many old people here. The reason I'm whispering is because old people have hearing aids. They notch that O up. Oof, they can hear everything. So I gotta whisper. This old person just almost ran me over. You saw that? Clipped me from the left. It's really because the butt cheeks, you know? Them butt cheeks be huge, so she would have clipped the cheeks. Watch, she's like 80 years old. She's like 88 years old. You saw that? I told you guys. You don't believe me though. Look at that old over there. Old over there, old everywhere. Old guy still staring at me right there. Where am I? Old chick coming out. Old guy walking across. Tight pants. Cheeked up though. I'm the only youngin'. What is it? Old guy right there. Old chick right there. Old girl in that car. Old guy walking in. I hope you guys can hear me. Old chick just bent over and I died inside a little bit. Just a little bit I died inside. That guy's young, but he has like this old Benjamin Button thing going on right now. Those car wash guys were talking to that girl, and then when she turned around, they looked at her butt. She wasn't even hot, but they still did it. You know why? Because it's just instinct, man. It's just instinct. Even when you don't want to do it, it just happens. What is she doing? What's happening here? But it's okay, because she's old. Finally, we can talk normal. I think that girl in the back, that blonde, is cheeked up. Old people everywhere. This guy has a flip-up sunglasses. See, now their hearing aids can't pick up the frequency of my voice because of the bike itself is so loud now that they can't pick up my voice anymore. The hearing aid frequency, it messes with them. Megan, or a Kekra, she has this thing going on where she could do that for me. She's slutty like that. She like it like that. She working that bag. She working that bag. She don't know how to act. Old. I don't want to go from there. I was gonna say something really bad, and I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna just cut it out because I gotta say it. And we're back. I'm sorry. I had to say it when I saw that girl. It's not bad, but it's like, you know, some of you guys might throw a fist over it. But sometimes I can't help myself, man. I gotta say stuff, you know, I gotta say stuff. I don't know if this is gonna open for me or not, but we'll see. Please come behind me. Thank you. I'm sorry, sometimes you gotta say stuff, man. Sometimes you gotta express yourself in a way that you can't express yourself in other places, man. Seriously though, it was like a life alert meeting, had a break or some crap like a lunch break or something like that, and everybody just popped out to get some gas. Olena, homie, like that was old people around the block crisscross applesauce. Like that was crazy. Ooh, oh papi, so nice. Oh my god, it feels so good. Oh, it feels so good. All that sweatiness that I was accumulating while I was pumping some gasolina, some protein shake, some post-workout shake into Kakarot. I shouldn't even need it. I just gave it to her. She didn't need it. I just gave it to her. Sometimes she needs it, she don't say it, but she wants it. So I gave it to her. No, the last time when I gave her a protein shake, I didn't count how many miles it's been, and I kind of messed it up. So I rather have an idea. I can get about 80-90 miles out of her. By the way, with the style that I ride, actually no, not 80-90, 90 to 110. That's a big range, but still, that's how much I can get out of her based on the style that I ride. Based on the style that I ride, I can get that much out of her. But yeah, that was Baldville right there. That was Old Folks, Wrinkles and McGee, you name it. Dude, that was a lot of old folks right there. Is there an unwritten social contract for them to follow? The world will never know, because we're not old. So we'll never know.
when I brake, my rear wheel just skids. That could also be because I need to fill up the tires and I haven't. I just remembered that I should have, but I didn't. See, this lane split, I get out of your way. You guys do your own thing. I ain't part of that, homie. I ain't part of that, homie. You guys can't see my hand gestures, man. My body language is going to waste, man. Ooh, them snap crackles, them pops. Even with a slip-on exhaust, because I have a sprint filter on here, air filter, so my fuel ratio is a little bit lame. But once we actually put her, oh, G-Wagon. Once we actually put her in the hyperbolic time chamber and I fix her up, I do her dirty. In the hyperbolic time chamber, we'll fix the air to fuel ratio and all that sorts of stuff. All that jazz. We'll be done. We'll be fixed. We'll be good to go, man. We'll be good to go. Old people, man. See, there's a reason I ride some places that I ride during some times that I ride. It's because old people everywhere, man. Vibe killer, homie. $6.29 pesos is gasolina right now, protein shakes. That's how much they're costing, man. Per liter, right? That's Mexican, right? Litor. There you go. Nailed it, huh? Nailed it. This right here is Hitville, man. Hitville. I was gonna say Rapeville, but no, it's Hitville. People don't know how to drive around here. First, hell yeah. Peripheral G-Wagon! G-Wagon? Oh, G-Wagon, you leaving? Why you leaving, man? We just get to know each other a little bit, man. Bald homie with the face mask. Man, I gotta stop judging the world. Because then the world's gonna judge me, but they don't. You guys already judge me like crazy. Why can't I judge the world? McDonald's, if any of you mother effers are putting, any of you hoes are putting McDonald's in your body, don't even talk to me, man. That's straight garbage. Like literal garbage. Literal garbage. I like the way she do it. I like the way she do it. I like the way she do it. Homie, you want to turn left? You go ahead, homie. I'm gonna let you go. You know, I've been here once. Let's just say, not a good place to be at a certain time. Not a good place to be. Not a good place to be. Give me attention when my bike is so loud, is what people say, but we don't, because we don't care. All the attention in the world I give to myself. I don't need anybody else giving me attention, homie. Okay, Charger or Challenger, I don't know what those four-door Dodge cars are. I keep forgetting. I mix them up. Don't be loud like that for no reason. Don't be loud like that for no reason. But let me blaze it for no reason. Now there's a lot of la policía here. I don't know where to go. I want to keep riding though. I just don't know where to go. I like the way she do it. Oh, Papi, don't block me like that, Papi. Papi, don't block me like that, Papi. So yeah, man, we've been riding around for a while. I just don't want to go home. Even though we're kind of far from home and I should kind of make myself to home. But I don't want to do that. But yeah, I gotta adjust this quick shifter, man. I gotta adjust this quick shifter. This is not a raw ride, but it's because it's still me talking, but we're just having fun. We're still having fun like that. So, I'm not gonna go crazy because there's still a lot of stuff that I gotta tweak on this quick shifter auto blipper. Haven't done that yet. Haven't done that yet. So can't really. Wow, dodged a fat pothole. My tire would have went in there and I would have kick flipped up in the air, but I would have landed back on 2 wheels and I'd still keep riding. Because this is what we do on this channel, man. We ride, but we ride in an insane way, man. We ride in an insane way. I just got a tweaker in the lower RPMs, and I gotta fix the shift rod. And I gotta take a good look, hard look on myself, and ask myself why I am the way that I am. Or why do I choose to be the way that I am? Let's go right. Dude, they actually wrote on their Tuesday morning. They change the date every day? That's kind of nice of them to do that. That is super nice of them to do that. I've never seen any place do that. Unless it's a digital board. As you guys can see, I'm quite the conversationalist.